Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to disable the Chrome ad blocker. Begin by launching your Google Chrome on your PC. Once you're in Google Chrome, look for the three vertical dots located at the top right corner. Click on them. In the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This is where you can adjust various Chrome preferences, including the ad blocker. Within the settings, locate and click on Privacy and Security from the options on the left side of the screen. Now click on Site Settings to access controls for individual websites. On the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings. Click on it to explore deeper into the settings. Once in Additional Content Settings, scroll down again and find Intrusive Ads. Give it a click to manage ad-related preferences. Now, locate and select the option that says any site you visit can show any ad to you. This action effectively disables the Chrome ad blocker. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.